my friends. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tiffany. I'm so glad you're here. I am sitting in the car alone, waiting for Danny. He just ran back in the house really quickly. We are headed to our Ikea, what's it called? Closet appointment. I'm so excited. My hair looks insane. I really needed to wash it today, but we got up late. We've had a rough 24 hours, and you know, it's okay. Everybody's gonna be fine. Everybody is fine, but we've had a rough 24 hours, and so I wasn't up and moving this morning the way I thought I was going to be, but that's okay. So we are we're gonna head down to New Haven, Connecticut to go to the Ikea there and have our appointment with the like wardrobe people, walk around, and then I think we're gonna grab some food at their like right across the way on the water. They have food trucks. Say hi.
Hi.
Notice I didn't say hi, Danny, because you know what he would do? He would say hi, Danny. Yeah. So anyway, that's where we're going. I am so glad you're here. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we go any further in today's video, I want to take a second to thank our sponsor, Get Healthy You TV. This is not a new sponsor to our channel, and I'm thrilled to be talking about them again. You know, I've been easing back into movement since surgery and trying to regain my strength the right way. Not for the scale, not for the before and after photos, but for how I actually feel in my body again. That's why I'm so excited that today's video is sponsored by Get Healthy You TV. Get Healthy You TV is your online resource for workouts, health tips, and fitness inspiration. And what I love most is that it meets you wherever you're at. Since being cleared to work out, I've been starting with their low impact and strength classes, especially the body weight workouts, because I needed something challenging but safe. I also tried one of their walking workouts on the treadmill, and it was such an energy boost. They have everything: HIIT, yoga, cardio, bar, kettlebell, kickboxing, chair workouts, which I love because some days I want strength training and some days I just want to move and reset my mindset. They even have 28-day calendars that you can follow, which is perfect if you like to have a plan already laid out, or if you're new to working out and aren't sure exactly what to do. And what makes it even better is that members get access to hundreds of different types of workouts, as well as Q&A sessions with trainers. There's a real community feel. You can join other women who are just trying to feel stronger and get healthier from their home. They're constantly adding new workouts too, so you're never bored or stuck doing the same thing over and over. So if you've been in the season where you're trying to get back into movement, maybe after a big life change, weight loss, surgery, or just lifing, this is such a supportive way to do it. The first 1,000 people watching my video to use the link down in my description box are going to get 1 full year of premium membership for only $1.49. This offer is valid for new members only, and I think we can all agree that your health and wellness is worth $1.49. I'll have the link at the top of my description box and pinned in the comment section so that you can come and get started with me. Let's do this together, my friends. Thank you again to Get Healthy You TV for sponsoring today's video, and let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, we're here. Thanks. We just made it. I love when people, and she didn't even park. No. I love when people drive through parking spots. That's why I don't like when people drive through parking lots. Okay, here we go. We are.
Hiked. Look at her.
She is. I love it. Okay, we're just making it. We are literally, it is 11:31. Danny, you need to pick up the pace and park this car.
I'm going.
You're going slow.
I'm in a parking lot. Do you remember what happened yesterday in the parking lot?
I do. We'll tell the people in a minute.
Yeah.
Look at this crazy hotel.
No.
Okay, I like it. I think we need herringbone flooring now.
It's 93 and then 79.
Okay.
So 79 is going to be too low.
Here's where we're at. Looking good.
So I could have done the whole.
Yeah, let's do that. She's going to show you. So we've got those friggin' stairs, as you guys know, right here. That just ruin everything. There's Danny's section. Hey, you gave it up. It looks great. I love it. It's perfect. All right, we're done with our design. We're gonna eat some food. We're gonna have a snack, and then we're gonna go eat it across the street at the food truck. So we're gonna get some food really quickly. Let's go. What do you think?
What?
How do you think that went?
Good. Yeah, I liked it. I liked the design. It came out really nice. So I think it's gonna be.
Danny gave up a majority of his section of the closet, but I think you're still gonna end up with a good amount,
Yeah, I do too.
and you're gonna have the whole dresser.
Yeah.
At least half of it. You know. Okay, I am absolutely getting one of everything. Oh, yes. Oh, this looks good. You don't want spicy mustard chicken wrap?
Looks delicious.
That looks really good. Boiled egg and salmon. I'm getting one of those. We'll get one of those and some meatballs. All right, we got meatballs and red velvet cake and cheesecake and salmon and eggs and macaroni and cheese. I would say that that's a balanced meal. I brought my supplements with me so I can remember to take them. We did pretty good. So fun fact, our boys used to have this bed. It's technically a loft bed, but we turned it into a little bunk bed. We had a mattress on the bottom and then a mattress on the top because they were really little and we didn't want them in like actual bunk beds that they could fall out of. And it worked out really, really well. It was a really cute little bed. So, and it's really affordable, only $300. Obviously, you got to buy the mattresses, but such a cool little space. And I love that they have these little things you can add on to make them into little forts. Our boys loved that.
Yeah.
They literally had it up until just a couple years ago. Like they loved it. Danny's walking the cart down the steps instead of taking the elevator because he's a rule breaker. He's a bad boy. So if you've never been to Ikea, you walk the top where it has the showroom, then you come down to the market on the bottom, which is where you shop for all the things that you saw upstairs. So Danny is the smart guy. We're gonna go look for those stools, those bar stools for the island. And he looked up where they are. So when you're done, you come out here into the big warehouse to go find all the stuff that you want to find. So we're gonna go find those bar stools. Look at how cute that goes on that loft bed that I was showing you guys earlier. That is so cute. Also, After Dark book readers, do we need a shark? Do we need a shark stuffed animal? I fear we might. My husband left me. We gotta go find him. He's looking for the bar stools. He's done. We've been here a long time. He's ready to go. You ready to go, babe? Where are you going?
I'm going to get a bin. Ooh. I wonder if I can throw it in there.
In the carriage? You could do it. I believe in you. Excellent. That means I'm in charge of the basket. He's a child. Okay, we're paid up. We're gonna go put the stuff in the cart and they're gonna grab our drawers. Okay, Danny, take this wonky cart. You're right, one hand pushing is not gonna cut it in this thing. Oh my gosh, these carts are crazy. Why do they do that? Okay, we're finished in Ikea. We're now gonna head over to Hobby Lobby for a second because I would like to get a replacement of the jar that I broke that was on my counter. Why is it so gross? Is that fog?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's marine.
So there's our loot back there. This is stuff I got at Home Goods yesterday for our bedroom makeover. Stay tuned. But this over here is all of our stuff from Ikea today. And we did order our, what's it called? All the stuff for the closet. It should be in Sunday. So then we will be putting that together. So stay tuned. That'll be a fun video coming up. Yeah. Straight ahead. That's the ocean. Wish we were going to the beach today. Wah, wah.
I'm not. It's 40 degrees.
I mean, obviously not today. Wish it wasn't 40 degrees. And we're supposed to be getting snow. Danny was so excited.
Freaking foot of snow this weekend.
He may get a snow day on Monday when he's supposed to be going back to school. Isn't that what happened after Christmas break?
Yeah.
Yeah. Little extension.
Yeah, but that pushes my weekend now into, instead of being summer break, it's now a weekend for half a day.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Woo. That marine fog right there.
Okay, here we are going to the Hoblob. There's also a Burlington here. We haven't been to Burlington since we left Vegas.
Yeah, I like their deals.
Yeah.
I always like their jackets and stuff.
Yeah. Burlington Coat Factory is what it used to be called. Might just be Burlington now. I have no idea. But we're going to go into the
And there's a
Hobby
TJ Maxx. Boy, there goes my...
Oh, go park over there. Yeah, like right there. Perfect. Yeah. He loves when I tell him where to go and how to park and
How to drive.
what to do.
How to put on directional. Love it. Yeah.
These are all really pretty. I've got some nice stuff in this aisle. I like it. Okay, it is 8:20. I am literally, you are on the tripod and I am walking around with you on the tripod. Just changed into some comfy clothes and got today's video uploaded. We had dinner. Danny cooked. We made, what did we have? Chicken apple sausage with, this is terrible lighting. Chicken apple sausage with potatoes and peas. It was great. Easy peasy. I just brushed my hair. Tomorrow is wash day. Today was supposed to be wash day, but it didn't happen. Okay, and the cat's climbing the, wow.
I've never seen her do that. Wow. All right. I thought she was scratching at the scratcher.
At the scratch thing. No, she wasn't. She was
That's why I didn't yell at her.
She was climbing the recliner.
Oh boy.
Okay, we're gonna put together the,
Hey.
what are these? The stools, the bar stools, and we're gonna watch a movie. Danny asked ChatGPT what we should watch. What did Chat say?
So I asked for family movie night focusing comedy actions from like late 90s to early 2010s.
I like it.
Incredibles, Pacifier, Paul Bart, Kangaroo Jack, I've never heard of that one. 10 Things I Hate About You, School of Rock, Freaky Friday, Napoleon Dynamite.
Well, I do love Freaky Friday.
Yeah, but I think we've watched that one.
We have watched that one.
So then I asked for more of the 90s to 2000s.
Mm-hmm.
So we got The Mask, Men in Black, the original Jumanji, Ninja Turtles, Rush Hour.
I think we should watch the new Jumanji.
I like that too.
Yeah, I'm down for that. That was so funny.
Right, hold on. Then Speed, Hook, Three Ninjas. Yeah. Clueless, Miss Doubtfire, Home Alone, Wayne's World, The Sandlot. So.
But we've seen majority of those.
I know. We're good.
The ones that we haven't.
Mummy, True Lies is on here.
Okay, we are not watching True Lies with our 10-year-old.
Last Action Hero. That was a good one too.
I don't know if I ever saw that.
That's when Arnold Schwarzenegger's like a movie star, but he somehow magically gets pulled out of the movie screen, I think.
I haven't seen that.
It's been a long time since I saw that one.
Yeah. All right.
Parent
Well,
Trap,
I'll let you know what we end up watching. We've seen Parent Trap.
Austin Powers.
I don't think that that's appropriate for a 10-year-old.
No, not the 10-year-old.
Yeah. So
Dumb and Dumber.
I'll let you know what we
You would
decide.
hear that sound.
Okay, so we decided to start the Pirates of the Caribbean show movies, and we're building chair. Oh, they're actually pretty put together.
Yeah.
Oh, great. That'll be nice and easy.
A couple bars, that's it.
Great. Also snacking on peanut butter pretzel nuggets. So good. All the book girlies love themselves a villain. Even though he's not really a villain, but he's kind of a villain, right? We all love Jack Sparrow, I'm sure. They're trying to see how fast they can put these together. I have the timer going. Danny said they could put them together in under 5 minutes. We'll see. They love a challenge. Huh. Hey, you. We love a challenge. Okay, so there are 2 of the things. They're not finished yet. They were definitely much harder than we all anticipated. So we got 2 done. We'll finish the other 2 tomorrow. It is after 10 p.m. We're all getting tired. So, but they look really nice. I really like them, and they give a lot of good back support. So that's what we had. And this is what we have. I'm really happy. And I was just checking, and these covers that I got, the cushions, those would fit on there. But I think we're going to leave them just the way they are, because I think that they look nice and clean, and they look really nice. So thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.